Hello everyone. So this is another tutorial on React components. In this tutorial I will try to explain stateless components. Let's first have a look on the previous one. As you can see, there is a root, and this root is accessed by index.html by React DOM. React DOM is a React library that can access any element from HTML directly. So as you can see, uh, get element by ID root, and this root was defined in index.html file in the previous tutorial, as you have seen. So this imports the app component which we have previously seen, and this is the HTML file that has ID root. As you have seen already in the app component, this is a simple app component. So we will try to make our own new app components here. Like I want to make a title component that first I have to save it in JavaScript file. So title.js. I want to make another file called input. Maybe we need an input component in our file. So input.js. So right now we have two components. So I will firstly focus on title component. To start the component, we have to import React from React library. So this is called Stateless Component. And now the beginning of our component. We always start with const. For a stateless component, we say const, and then the name of the component, which should be in capital. So this is the basics. Everything goes inside, and then we have to export this component. Export default, and then the name of the component. So what should go inside? We can again say the h1 header. Yeah, so this component forwards an h1 header hello world. Yeah, that's the very basic stateless component. So let's use this component. So we'll use it inside app.js. In order to use that, first of all, we should import that component. You can name it anything here, but we'll name it title from, and then be aware you should say dot slash, which means current directory, and then the name of the component. If it is not found, then React will give you errors. I just have to rename it also so that it's consistent with the name. Okay, yeah, so let's so this will forward. It used to forward hello world, so we just don't need this, or sorry, we need this, but we don't need the inner content. So we delete this and use the title component that we have just created. So we say title and then slash the closing bracket, and this will call title. And as you can see, after saving, it has refreshed a new content which comes from the title. So yeah, this is the very basic stateless component that I have described, and hope to see you in the next tutorial, which we'll discuss more on stateful components.